I thought that chapter 8 was overall pretty interesting because of various things that I learned from the chapter. I thought it was interesting when Ramachandran said most fruits are red on green because the contrasting makes it easier for primate eyes to see, and that if there were trees on Mars that were yellow, we would expect to see blue fruit. I thought it was interesting the way that fruit have developed for primate vision. Another thing that was interesting was his mention of contrasting in regards to fashion. This made me think twice about how we dress and match our clothes. I thought this was an interesting thing to note because we don't normally think about the evolutionary reasoning behind fashion. When Ramachandran talks about the large metallic cube that is covered with needles to make it look furry, I thought it was interesting that he said the artist was using the law of contrast in order to get our attention by contrasting fur versus metal and inorganic versus organic. When he talked about contrast, I had originally only thought about color contrasting, but I realized from the metal cube that contrast in art can come in many different forms. I liked reading about the different horse drawings and learning about the law of isolation. I also thought it was interesting that isolation of different areas of the brain could create different effects, like a child that could draw really well or a child that was good with calculations. I did find it sad, though, when he said the young girl lost her ability to draw.